Come test drive the 2019 Accent. Designed to keep you moving and leave boredom behind, the Hyundai Accent is affordable, fuel-efficient, and safe. A winning combination, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, electronic stability control, power windows, CD player, trip computer, rear window defroster, remote keyless entry. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.